So, andito pa rin tayo sa Fort Victoria, Tower B in BGC to check this foreclosed combined unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit, 90.36 square meters. Loft type. So, meron tayong dalawang bathroom dito sa baba. And ang view niya is napakaganda naman. Ayan, golf course. Yan, another bathroom dito sa baba. Yan ang magiging kitchen and dining area. Then, akit tayo sa taas. This is around 13.7 million regular price, and discounted price is at 12.4 million, which is subject for management approval. So ito yung bathroom niya dito sa taas. And then meron pang isang bathroom dito sa isa pang bathroom. Total of 4. So this is available in cash, or at least 10% spot down payment, and then 90% balance through in-house and bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So as you can see, ayan ang view niya. Actually, napakaganda ng view niya. May view siya ng golf course, ayun. And BGC. So this is as is where is. Upon turnover, bare type po siya. And kayo na pong bahala magpa-finish ng unit. So if you are interested to schedule a showing appointment and make an offer, please message us directly. This is first come first serve basis. And actually, itong Fort Victoria BGC, it's very ideal for end use because malapit po siya sa Forbes Town Center, sa Sun Life, and sa Bonifacio Greenway. And this is the cheapest or the most affordable condo here in BGC at 137,000 per square meter. And marami rin pong nag-Airbnb dito sa Fort Victoria, especially for daily and weekly rates. If I'm not mistaken, ito lang po yung condo na nag-a-allowed ng daily or weekly rates. And usually for foreigners and locals. Because yung ibang condominium ngayon dito sa BGC, puro mga long-term lease, minimum of 1 year. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly.